Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis and previously talked about the importance of that green line up there on Friday. Unfortunately, though, today, the price not only gapped below it, it just continued to go downwards. So that is where the first update now needs to come into play here. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $1.18 going to be that initial level to watch moving forward if there is any sort of attempted bounce to the upside. So if the price, like I said, can eventually work its way upwards, that level is going to be, the main level that will be a big test. It'll help to, pretty much illustrate whether or not the price has any sort of genuine power behind it, or if it's just one of these maybe knee-jerk type reactions that doesn't actually have any sort of genuine strength. Point here being that if there is any sort of, movements to the upside, then that right around $1.18 is going to be that very important level. If the price can push up through there, then the next key level would be the purple line, which on my chart denotes the 50 period moving average. You can see actually right there from back on Friday. That's right where the price got rejected from. But one hurdle at a time, prices first got to be able to get up above the $1.18 mark, so keep a close eye on that. As far as areas of support, nothing fancy or complicated here. The bleeding finally stopped today right down there at the $1.10 mark, and you can see basically all day long the price has been cruising right up above $1.10. So $1.10, if this is any sort of bottom, because at least the price has gone sideways, but just because the price goes sideways doesn't mean that for sure guaranteed it's the bottom. But my point here is it's at least a rational thought to have that, hey, maybe $1.10 is finally some sort of bottom. But if that's going to be the case, then, just by default, you want to see the price continue to stay above that level. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But as right now, with the new start of the new week, looking like the bears are just picking right back off to where they left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.